What's the meaning of anchor? Anchor. 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 Anchor.
Anchor has several meanings depending on context. It can refer to a heavy object used to moor a ship or to secure something firmly in place. In a figurative sense, anchor can also refer to someone or something that provides stability, support, or a point of reference. For example, in news broadcasting, an anchor is a person who presents and guides the show, providing a sense of structure and continuity. Overall, anchor denotes something that is strong, reliable, and grounding, either literally or metaphorically.